হুজুর যদি একটু বলতেন।
What are the reasons behind vast spread of psychiatric illness in this age? What are the reasons behind vast spread of psychiatric illness in
I don't
this?
understand this question.
I mean, why mental diseases are so much in this age?
Why?
Why?
Because of the stress of the life. The more stressful the life is, the more mental diseases occur. It's quite natural. So they're called stress-related disease. And psychologists treat such people to remove their stress. If they relax, then of course they can be cured easily. And the best way to relax is before Allah. Instead of confessing before a psychiatrist, one should confess before Allah, and that is the best way of relaxation.